Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best automotive products. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the top headlight upgrades on the market, the best Lumen K1 LED headlight conversion kit. If you're tired of your old, dim headlights and want to upgrade to a high-performance LED system, then you're in the right place. First, let's talk about the basics. The best Lumen K1 LED headlight conversion kit is designed to bring the power and clarity of LED technology into your vehicle's headlights. This kit is the perfect solution for anyone looking to improve visibility at night and enhance the overall appearance of their car's lighting system. Whether you're driving on highways, back roads, or in any conditions requiring clear sight, this kit will make a noticeable difference. What sets this conversion kit apart from others is its advanced technology. Equipped with high-quality LED chips, the K1 series provides superior brightness and a longer lifespan compared to traditional halogen bulbs. This means you'll get not only a brighter and clearer light on the road but also a longer-lasting product, saving you money on frequent bulb replacements. The kit is designed to offer an easy plug-and-play installation, which means no complicated setup or additional wiring required. Simply replace your existing bulbs with the K1 LED lights, and you're good to go. Now, let's talk about the performance. The K1 LED headlights boast impressive luminous output, ensuring you have full visibility of the road ahead. These bulbs feature a beam pattern designed to be uniform and wide, which helps prevent glare that can blind other drivers. Whether you're dealing with dark, poorly lit roads or foggy conditions, this headlight kit ensures you can see clearly without compromising your safety or that of others on the road. The conversion kit also comes with built-in cooling technology, ensuring that your new LED bulbs don't overheat. This is crucial for maintaining long-term performance and reliability, even in hot weather. The efficient cooling system also contributes to the lifespan of the bulbs, making them last significantly longer than standard halogen lights. This kit is perfect for anyone looking for an easy and affordable upgrade to their vehicle's lighting system. Its compatibility with most vehicles on the road today makes it a versatile choice for a wide range of users. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, the best Lumen K1 LED headlight conversion kit will fit perfectly and provide the quality lighting your car needs. So, if you're ready to experience better nighttime driving and a high-quality lighting upgrade, the best Lumen K1 LED headlight conversion kit is definitely worth considering. It's an easy, cost-effective solution that can improve your driving experience in every way. Don't miss out on this fantastic upgrade, and make sure to check out the full product details in the description below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and product insights. Drive safely, and see the road like never before with the best Lumen K1 LED headlight conversion kit.